Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Let us draw this machine component. So what we are going to do, just let us draw a circle center diameter with the first one inner circle with 55 mm diameter and the second one and then center diameter again. Let us go here and let us draw a circle with 64 diameter, and again let us draw a circle with diameter of 82. So this is all the center, these three circles with diameter of 55, 64 and 82. So what we are going to do, let us draw a center line like this. A center line. If this ortho is not on, you have to on it to create a perfect straight line. And we have to draw here also another straight line. So what we are going to do, let us create this part. This part is shown here. It has a width of 7 mm units. All the dimensions are in millimeters. And this 7 mm width starts from the inner circle and terminates at the second circle. So what we're going to do, just you have to offset this line. Offset this line like let us trim this one, and let us offset this line 7 units upward and 7 units downward. 3.5 units, I mean it is totally 7, so 3.5 above and 3.5 below. So that means go to offset command and you have to give offset distance. You have to give 3.5 units, then offset it 3.5 units like this, 3.5 like this. And you can go here and choose extend command and extend and join it here and here also. Then you can go for trim again, trim, and you can trim this part and this one. So next what we are going to do, just we have to as this shown here, the shape. So this part, it is empty, so what we are going to do, just trim this portion, trim this portion like this. Then what you are going to do, just you can also trim this part. Then after that you have to choose this one, and this one. Next, go to array command, extend this one. Rectangular array has array and polar array. You have to choose polar array. Then it says specify center point. You have to give the center point like this. But we need 12 parts as shown here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 parts are there. So you have to go here and you have to change this number into 12. So as shown here, you have to make it 12. So we created the central part, so you can trim unwanted parts of this object just like this. You can trim this region like this, right? So you can trim this one. These are not required because so the shape looks like this one as shown here. So next what you are going to do, we have to draw this portion. So to draw that, what we are going to do, this is a center line, this one is a center line, and this one, it has the distance between these two circles, it is 82 units. So what we are going to do, we have to offset this line 41 units to the left, 41 units to the right. So go to offset command here, then offset distance, you have to give 41 units or millimeters, then you have to go to the left 41 units, to the right 41 units. So then as shown here, it is just intersecting with the end of the, or just like at the it looks like tangent of the inner circle. So then after that, as shown here, from the center to these circles, it has 35 units. So you have to offset again this one, just down 35 units like this, 35 units, right? So that means the first circle will be drawn here, and we have to mirror this one to the other side. So you have to draw a circle with radius of with diameter of 12. 6 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the circles have this 12 diameter. So let us go circle diameter, and you have to draw a circle with diameter of 12, right? So we draw the first circle, and you can mirror this one. Mirror command, mirror the circle, enter. You have to give mirror center. Use this line as your center. Then no. So the second circle is drawn here as shown here. Then what you are going to do, as shown here, the outer circle has a diameter radius of 12. Then you have to draw another circle with radius of 12. So center radius, you have to go here and draw another circle with radius of 12. So as shown here, we draw the second circle. You can click there and copy it and hold it at the center and move it here. So right? Wait. So click there, copy it, hold it at the center, and move it here. So this is the second circle. Then what you are going to do, just we finish this one, the circles, and the inner and the outer. So next you can join this end with this to create this line. You can join this part with the other side, just like this. So we finish the inner part. You can trim this portion just like this, and this part. So, and the inner part also, we don't need this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let us copy this one, copy, and hold it as the center. Skip to this one. Third section, end point also. Hold it here and join here. So you have to draw a circle here with diameter of 12, right? So copy this one, hold it at the center, and just here. Then what you are going to do, just you can remove, trim the portions that you don't want. So this one also, you can trim this. Just shown here. So like this, trim this one. So we finish this bottom part. Then next, what you are going to do, just extend this line, like extend this line, and draw a line. Draw a line here also. And just draw a straight line that joins this intersection point to the other side, and this line to the other side. So then you can trim this portion, then this portion also. So next, what you are going to do, trim this one, this portion, trim this one, this portion. So we finish this part. Next, what you are going to do, just we have to create this angle for 30-degree inclination. It's here, so we have to create that portion. So to create that one, what you go to line command and hold it at the center like this, or to off to move flexibly. Then what? Then as shown here, this is 30 degree, but the other side from this from the OX axis, it will be 60 degree, because 60 plus 40 is 90 degree. So you have to measure 60 degree here. So to measure that, just you have to press shift, then add. After add, you have to give some distance. This is some distance, just like this. And let us use 70 units. Then you have to use shift and less than symbol, mathematical symbol, and you have to give the degree 60 degree. So as shown here, this is 60 degree. Then you have to click here, then go to mirror command, then choose this line as center of mirror. Then this is just to the left and to the right. This one is 30 degree. If you measure it, just the central part is just 30 degree, right? 30 degree, just like this. This one also 30 degree. Then next, what you are going to do, just you have to create the next. I can remove this one. So this is 30 degree now. Here it is given radius of 77, so you have to measure 77 radius, and you have to draw a circle. Center radius, hold it from the center, then 77 units. So this is 77 units circle, and the other one 77 plus, as shown here, there is a distance 20 units between the center of this circle and the center of the other circle. So 77 plus 20, it will be 97. So center radius, and hold it at the center, and 97 units, like this. So extend this line. No, just don't use this one. Go to here, go here, just extend like this, extend like that, like this, extend it. After extending this one, so next, what you are going to do, you have to use this point and this point as a center, and you have to draw the circles. So the circles, as shown here, they all have this diameter of 12, 6 circles. So go to circle, center diameter, and so circle diameter of 12. So you have to draw 12 units circle here. The same thing, then you have to click there, copy command, hold it at the center just like this, and copy it here, copy it here, copy it here. So we draw all the 4 circles. Next, what you are going to do, as just shown here, this external part has a radius of 13, so you have to draw a circle with this. Has some mismatch, it's not perfect I think, so let's copy this one, copy, hold it at the center. Yeah, you have to draw just like this. So next you have to draw the external circle with radius of 13 units. So go to circle, center radius, hold it at the center just like this, and 12 units. Yes, so after that, this also you have to copy this one, copy command, then hold it at the center and put it here. No, copy command, go here and here. This is how we are going to draw it. Then next, this has radius of 13, so you have to offset this line with radius of 13 units. So offset command, offset radius, you have to offset distance, you have to give 13 units. Then you have to offset this line 13 units to the left, 13 units to the right. This is not perfect I think. How much this is? Let us measure it. Yeah, this is an error. We have to make it 13 units because that's why this error came. You have to go here again, circle with radius of 13 units. Yes, like this, 13 units. It is perfect. Now copy this one, hold it at the center and have it here. So it is like this. And after that, what you are going to do, we created this part. Then you can trim the portions that you don't want. The one thing which is left is here. Here also there is one circle as shown. You see this one with radius of 53. So let us draw a circle with radius of 53 also as the center, then 53 units. Yeah, now it is perfectly fit here. So now go here and trim command, then trim this one, and this also not required, this also. You see now this is just almost creating the part. So it is just so this is the central part. You can create just like this, and all the other thing you have to trim all these inner parts. It's like this. Inner parts, this one also. Same thing. Here it is open. Just have to open this one. Here it is open. So next, what you are going to do, you have to use this also. There is one radius of 12 units. So you have to go for fillet command, and you have to define fillet radius 12 units. Enter, then you have to fillet this region with 12. Enter again, you have to go here and fillet it with radius of 12. So we created this part, but here also there is another 12 units, so you have to go there, enter and fillet it with 12 units like this, and fillet the other side with radius of 12 units as shown here. Then this is all. So you can remove some portions that are not required, right? That are not required, you can remove them. So this is the other part. You can trim this portion, trim this one. This is still not 13. You have to make it 13 units from the center radius, 13 units like this, and trim this portion. So we created this part. Now you can give dimensions, whatever dimensions that you want. Yeah, so now you can give dimensions.